guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, so today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of luxury hotel candles from the hotel collection. I'm so excited. I am a huge candle fanatic and I wanted to share and show you what I received from this company. The hotel collection makes luxurious fragrant candles that are inspired by the world's most popular luxurious hotels. So I have a few different candles here and scents, and I want to go ahead and show you and light them for you. Okay guys, so I have this gorgeous box. I received these from the hotel collection and I'm gonna unbox them for you, and I'm so excited to smell them. Each candle is named after a specific hotel, a world-renowned luxury hotel. So you know when you go into the hotels and it smells so good and so luxurious, well, these are it. I have my lighter here. There's tons and tons and tons of peanuts. Okay, so I'm just gonna shake them off. So I got 3 items. I have this candle here, this little peanut. So this is their signature scent hotel collection. Comes in these little cute little mesh bags, which is super, super nice. So this black one here is the black velvet candle. So this is black velvet. It looks like this. I'm gonna open it and smell it for the first time, so I'm super excited. I love beautiful smelling candles. I love bringing luxury home with me, especially a long day after work. You want to come home to a nice, beautiful, clean home to settle in and just to give your house a really warm, comforting feel, then a beautiful aroma. This one's really nice. So black velvet I really like. Very, very nice. It is a little smoky. A little bit more on the masculine side, but I really, really love it. I also got a reed diffuser. Looks like this. Gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. Feels very luxurious. Has a nice weight to it. Oh, here's your oil. Here's your oil diffuser sticks. Like that. I'll put those right there. And this I got, this scent, the diffuser, is My Way. So My Way is also another popular one. This smells really good, a little more floral. I like this. I like this a lot. So I'm gonna pop my diffuser sticks in there. You get 6 diffuser sticks, so I'm gonna put 3 in, I think. Let me see if I can do it. Do I have to unscrew it? Yeah, I think I do. Okay. And then the next candle that I got. Okay, and here's my second candle. So I'm gonna open this one. This one also too comes beautifully packaged. It's a white one. You get to pick what color you want in your candle, which I think is nice. Because if you got all black candles, it might be hard to remember the scent. This is also My Way. I also got that in the candle as well. So yes, I have black velvet, My Way candle, and My Way reed diffuser. Okay, so I think I should like My Way if this one I think was a popular pick. Okay, take out of its little mesh bag. This one's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Beautiful glass candle. This one here is a, what are the ounces on here? Does it say? No, it doesn't say, but I believe it's like 11 ounces. So let's go ahead and smell it. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. So this one is a clean scent. I do smell the sage in here. Ooh, really, really, really nice. So yes, totally happy that I have both the candle and the reed diffuser in the scent My Way. Crisp, clean, smells like linen but sage, but also has a beautiful floral note in it as well. Yes, I want to like this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna light this candle. There it is. Well, that burns. Yes guys, so I love these hotel collection candles. This is a really high-end candle company. All of the scents that they are encapsulating are basically scents that you're gonna smell if you go to any of these world-renowned luxury hotels. My Way candle, the black velvet candle, and the My Way reed diffuser. All of the candles are hand-poured soy wax candles. They are also clean and cruelty-free candles, and it's just a beautiful way to give your home a beautiful aroma so that it's comforting and you just feel luxurious all the way around. So it gives you a beautiful, luxurious feel in your home, and there's nothing more comforting than coming home to having a beautiful aroma in your home, so that way you can just unwind, relax, and just settle in. So I love that, and I definitely am super excited about this reed diffuser because I actually want to put it on my back vanity back there. So So I'm gonna try and open this, but I don't want to spill it or get anything on me. Oh, there we go. I can already smell it in my hands. Put another diffuser stick into it. Just like that. And there we have it. My cat is playing with the peanuts. So yeah, so I'm super excited. Guys, if you're interested in hotel candle collection, make sure you click the links down below in the description bar so that you can save money on your candles and your reed diffusers as well. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys get to check out these candles. They smell absolutely beautiful. They are more on the pricier side. You can get a really great deal, and you can also save money if you use my discount code in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you guys have smelled or have hotel collection candles. Let me know what your thoughts are, and let me know what your favorite scents are. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.